Have you ever wondered if you could turn your knowledge, insights, or writing skills into actual money without needing a product, a website, or even a large following? What if I told you that you can make real, consistent income by simply answering questions online? Yes, that's right. Today's video is all about how you can make money on Quora, whether you're just getting started or looking to turn your answers into an income stream. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So stay tuned, because this might just be the online income stream you've been waiting for. Section 1. What is Quora and why it matters? Quora is a question and answer platform where users ask questions and anyone can answer. But what makes Quora different is its community-driven model where quality content gets rewarded with visibility, and in some cases, income. It's not just a knowledge hub, it's an opportunity hub. The platform has millions of monthly users, which means every valuable answer you write has the potential to be seen by thousands. With the right strategies, that visibility can be converted into money. Section 2. Understanding Quora's monetization pathways. While Quora doesn't offer direct payouts like YouTube or TikTok for views, there are multiple ways to make money using the platform. Quora Partner Program. Quora introduced a subscription service where users pay for access to premium answers. If you're accepted into this program, you can earn revenue when subscribers read your content. This works best if your answers are long-form, well-researched, and engaging. Affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your answers if they're relevant and follow Quora's guidelines. For example, answering a question about the best laptops for college students, add your affiliate link to a product on Amazon or Best Buy. Disclose clearly and keep it natural. Value comes first. Driving traffic to your website or blog. Use Quora to funnel targeted traffic to your own platform. Write helpful, authoritative answers and include a link to a related blog post or landing page. Once on your site, visitors can be monetized through ads, email capture, or product sales. Service promotion. If you offer freelance services, coaching, or consultations, use Quora to demonstrate expertise. Add a soft CTA like as a certified financial coach. Here's what I suggest. Interested readers will often check out your profile and reach out. Digital product sales. Promote your ebooks, courses, or templates in relevant answers. You can even link to your Gumroad or Teachable page. Make sure the answer itself offers value. Your product should feel like a bonus. Section 3. Setting up your Quora profile for income. Your Quora profile is your landing page. Here's how to optimize it. Use a professional profile picture. Write a compelling bio that includes keywords like freelance writer, digital marketer, or investor. Add links to your website, portfolio, or social accounts. Pin one of your best answers at the top. Remember, your profile is where the money-making funnel begins. Section 4. Writing answers that actually make you money. Quality over quantity is key. Here's how to write high-performing answers. Start with a strong hook. Break content into short, readable paragraphs. Use bullet points or numbered lists. Add personal experiences, case studies, or real data. End with a light CTA, like want more tips? Visit my blog here. Answer popular questions in your niche. Use Quora's search bar and answer questions that already have traction but lack depth. Section 5. Leveraging Quora Spaces. Quora Spaces are like niche communities. Here's how to use them to your advantage. Start your own space around your topic of expertise. Invite contributors, post regularly, and build a following. Add links to your monetized content or affiliate products. Quora is slowly testing monetization features within Spaces, so you'll be ahead of the curve. Section 6. Building long-term income through Quora. Quora can be a long-game strategy. Here's how to stay consistent. Answer 2 to 3 quality questions daily. Repurpose answers into blog posts or YouTube scripts. Track traffic from Quora using UTM links or Google Analytics. Update your best answers over time to keep them relevant. With consistent effort, Quora answers can rank on Google and bring passive traffic and income for months or even years. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Over-promoting or spamming links. Writing vague or generic answers. Ignoring profile optimization. Quitting too soon before traction builds. Quora rewards quality and persistence. The longer you stick with it, the better your chances of building authority and income. So there you have it, a complete guide to making money on Quora. From writing compelling answers to promoting affiliate products, driving traffic, and establishing yourself as an authority, the opportunities are endless if you stay consistent and follow the platform's rules. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth guides on making money online. Like this video if you learned something new, and drop a comment below telling us what's one strategy you're excited to try first. And before you go, here's a thought-provoking question. If Quora became your main source of income, what niche would you focus on and why? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning.